So what is the GBC? What is the General Business Credit? So as I said, it's a catch-all phrases for more than 2 dozen, I think, individual tax credit designed to encourage, certain business activity. So basically, it's a typical example of how tax laws and regulations can encourage a certain innovation and discourage a certain behavior. Okay, so I think this as an umbrella. So that's the reason I write it down: an umbrella credits covering 20 plus specific business credit. So basically, if you think about it, the government actually, encourage you to do R&D, right? Research and development, and also like low-income housing investments, because you know what, that's kind of like that's a good thing that you contribute back to society, right? Contribute back to the community, because if you invest something, the natural tendency is that you invest something that got a higher, return. But if you got a low income housing investment, you may lose or you may not earn as much as if you invest in other projects. So you know what? The RS is going to give you some like a business credit that encourage you to do that. So yeah, that makes sense, huh? So yeah, that's pretty good. And of course, some disabled access improvements that's also contribute back to society. And of course, employer provided child care. You know what? Be good to your employee. That's a good employer, right? That's kind of activity that IRS encourage. And of course, right now everything is about environment, so renewable energy investment, that's also the direction to go. So you know what, yeah, you can find a lot of things related to this kind of activity that you'll find credits. Okay, so yeah, and of course, as I said, I think this is a lot of thing, right? So instead of having like 20 different limitations, calculations, and all that, as I said, it's a credit, so there will be a catch limitation, right? You can't just claim all this free credit for free and then without limit, without the catch. So you know what? Yeah, they got to like yeah. If they got like every limitation for every credit, that will be like a 20 plus different limitation. You know what, that's a little bit cumbersome. So they say, well, yeah, let's just pull them together, right? And you know what, we're going to give you a specific form called Form 3800, and that's the General Business Credit, an umbrella catch-all, pool of all this credit that you can claim.